Hello guys, this is Eric there from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 2022, 13th of December. Thank you for coming back here. Right, thank you so much. Hi CK, hi Marcus. Good. Hi Aiden, nice to see you here. Right, thank you so much. Right, Lee. Hi Lee Han Yong. Lee Han Yong 345. Am I right? Hi. Well, thank you so much for coming in. All right, thank you so much. Okay, so hi Lee. Yes, Lee. How can I contact? All right, in the description box over here. Yeah. You can click a link to my page and you can contact Jamie. All right, and yeah, you can also contact KH. All right, KH. K and H. Right, KH, are you around? KH? I hope KH is around. Alright, so yep, and over here, yes, let's us continue. Alright, hi Aiden. Yes, I bought the ticket to your trading summit. Oh, alright. Thank you very much. Okay, so shall see you there. Yeah, right. Okay. Yep, and yes, so well, and well, so today in this trading plan over here, right, and over here, first of all, okay, each day before we start trading, right, we must have a plan. Okay, so the plan is very important. So making sure that the plan must work. Okay, making sure that the profit is there. Okay, so we must have a plan. All right, so we must know what kind of currency that we must follow. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm doing this every day to help myself to better focus. Okay, so once again, yeah, my MT4. Well, over here, let's take a look at our AUDCAD. Well, AUDCAD over here. Yeah, let's take a look. Well, for Aussie, as we can see, AUDCAD here is still in the bull. Alright, so I'm a seller. I'm gonna skip it quickly. Alright, so AUDCAD is in the bull, so we are still looking for buying. Yesterday, there's a slip off, okay, for AUDCAD, but it's a temporary retracement. So looking out for support, which has already hit out your support. So today, likely to go back to retest the resistance again. So over at this point here, we are looking at the resistance at this point. When it actually turned out to become a bear, yeah, there may be a probability, okay, maybe a possibility there, but again, is that we are still full. So we are not supposed to sell. We are looking to buy, right? So yeah. So that's one. Okay, so how about Aussie franc? Aussie franc, well, Aussie franc, we are still in this range here, as we can see. Right, in this range here, it's not really favorable for sellers, and because right now I see that the support is coming in to buy. So probably in this ranging area, you can grab some for buying. If it's not breaking, it's coming back here, go for selling. All right, so this may be quite a good one to go with. Range 100 pips range inside here. So at the moment, okay, at the moment I will skip this because this is in the range and it's a buying trend now. But for the buyers, and I'm going to skip that. So for Aussie yen, well, Aussie yen in the general trend, as we can see, it's still on the upward move. All right, it's still on the upward move. Okay, so the bull is still running, but okay, by looking at this point here, it's actually turning down to become a bear. So in this case, it's in the transition. Will it actually go in bear? Well, we need more observation before we can conclude. Alright. So next to go, right? So Aussie Kiwi. Well, Aussie Kiwi, we are in the bear. Well, selling is possible, but for the past few days, we're in the support. So in this case, I'm still waiting for Aussie Kiwi to break support. Okay, then I will be able to continue. Alright. Okay, so in this case here, Aussie Kiwi, okay, for this Aussie Kiwi right here is still looking out for bear, but I need to break the support before I can into a selling, right? Okay, so yeah, and over here, okay, today I'm going to put this Aussie. Well, I'm going to put Aussie Kiwi into my watch list. If there's a chance for me to sell now, okay, I will continue selling, right? Namaste, Naga. Nice to see you here. All right, hope everything is good for you. Yeah, and over at this point here for dollar, well, Aussie dollar is still in the pool. as we can see trading. Okay, so the having some resistance over in this area that actually forbid this Aussie dollar from moving upwards. So currently, okay, what are the strategy that we are going to apply? So let's look at this one point that they are actually looking out for support. Yeah, it looks like Aussie dollar is looking out for support in the pool before it can continue upward trend. However, over here, right, we can see that there's a new support has been set up over at this point. Right, if this support able to break, well, if this support is able to break, that means to say it's actually looking out for another lower support, which we have about 32 pips. Now we are still going against a trend in this case, right? So for Aussie dollar, now Aussie dollar, there may be a chance, okay, that it will start to sell down into this support level to get support before. So in this case, right, in this case, over at this point here, it must break the support before we can go for a selling. But this is also a trend, okay. So I will indicate in a symbol, okay, so that we know that it's actually trading at this trend. But today we do have a chance there. All right, so let's look at the Euro Aussie. Well, Euro Aussie, we are looking out for the bull. Okay, the bull is still ongoing. However, the bull, same thing, we have met up with a resistance up there. So as we can see, the resistance has up here. Okay, so let's see if there's a chance. Well, so it has been tested on the resistance and being rejected down for the past 16 hours. Will it actually continue the downward trend to look out for support before it can go further up? Yes, chances are very high. Okay, so tentatively, okay, Euro Aussie, okay, and pay attention to it for selling, but this is anti-trend trading, right? So EUROCAD. How about EUROCAD? EUROCAD, we are still in the bull, very straightforward. Okay, so buyers can take note, but sellers have to stay away. For Euro Yen, let's take a look. Euro Yen today. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, well, Euro Yen, as we can see, is actually still moving towards the north. We are still in the bull, correct? So buyers can take note. However, we have to take note of where is the resistance. Okay, so resistance is up here, as we can see the resistance at this point here. Okay, so we still have quite a fair bit to go. For the seller, okay, we have to stay away for a while, okay, because right now it's actually looking up for the breaking of the resistance. So buying is still possible. Okay, yeah. For Euro Kiwi, yeah, Euro Kiwi over here is very straightforward. Now we are in the bear, so in the bear we are looking for a resistance to sell down. At the same time, as we can see, right, the resistance over here, we have been tested, and now we're looking out for the support down here. So yeah, that may be a good chance there. So Euro Kiwi, I'm going to put this watch list. Okay, so this is quite good. Well, okay, Euro Kiwi. Okay, I'm going to put this watch list. Yeah, next to go Euro Dollar. Yes, Euro Dollar. Yeah, how about Euro Dollar? How about Euro Dollar is actually moving to the north. You are still in the bull. So Euro Dollar is actually looking out for a buying. Okay, but the buying, right? The buying has with some resistance up there. Okay, and it got rejected. And now actually we have a new once again up. So will there be a chance that the Euro Dollar will continue selling, break through this area? Then we'll look for another lower support, which has another 10 pips. Well, it's only about 10 pips. Not a lot. Okay, so just take note. Okay, this is go for a buy. Okay, allow it to go and test the resistance up there before we take action. Okay, right. So yep, Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie. Well, for Pound Aussie, tentatively we are still looking for bull. So the bull is still running. However, today we have some retracement bull. Right. So that means they are looking for a support. Yes, they are looking for support. So tentatively, okay, support level still here, no change, but we have turbulence area before we can start selling. If this is going to break below, okay, we have a good chance to reach about 70 pips, about 70. So Pound Aussie looks good also. So Pound Aussie, okay, is actually down to look out for support before it actually go on the buy. Okay, so for Pound Aussie, I'm going to put this watch list. Okay, but this is anti-trend trading. Right, so just pay attention to that. Wow, it's actually, why am I still putting this as a selling? Because Pound Aussie is looking for a support before it can go further up. So the support level is quite low, so you can still grab some opportunity, grab some profit from this opportunity. Okay, Yeah. So next to go, right? Next to go, we have PAUCAD. PAUCAD is in the bull. Same thing. We are actually having a retracement today. So having a retracement today, will there be any chance that we are looking out for selling over? Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, okay, we have a support over here, right? So we can see that the support is there. So will there be a chance that we're going to clear the support level? Yeah, there may be a chance about 30 pips away. So we still have a chance there. Okay, so PAUCAD, yeah, I'm going to put this into watch list, but this is also anti-trend trading. Okay, so let me put this into it, and then let's move on. Okay, Paul Frank. Okay, Paul Frank. Well, for Paul Frank, as we can see, this is also the bull, but the bull has actually go quite stable right now, and it actually stopped somewhere here where actually meet up with the resistance. So tentatively, it looks like there isn't any retracement, so buyers can take note. Okay, just take note of the resistance level. Okay, then to see if you have enough space to buy. Right. So for Pound Yen, let's take a look at Pound Yen. Pound Yen, we are still in the bull. Right, Pound Yen, you are still in the bull, so the bull is still running. And today, is there any resistance that can hold it down to look for support to have an anti-trend trading over here? Perhaps. Well, but then again, is that the support is actually pretty low. Okay, sorry, okay, but then we may want to be careful of that. Okay, so by looking current price to that, support is about 30 pips. Okay, so we have to think. Okay, we have to think where is the support level. Okay, and the resistance level before we take action. So Pound Yen, there is a 30 pips space probably. Okay, so we can actually pay attention to that. Monitor, okay, to have any anti-trend trading. Okay, so for Pound Yen, yeah, and it looks like there's a lot more to go. Okay, so probably we need to be careful when we are selling it. Okay, yeah. So for Pound Yen, okay, so I'm going to watch this. Anti-trend trading. Okay, so for Pound Kiwi, right? Pound Kiwi. So Pound Kiwi over here, we are looking for selling. We are in the bear. So Pound Kiwi is still good. Okay, we are still looking into this Pound Kiwi to sell. However, okay, today we have a retracement. Is there a good one? Okay, let's see if there's any reason for us to take note. Okay, and okay, so let's see. It's up here. Okay, support is down there, no range. So tentatively looking at this, probably we need time. So for Pound, okay, we are staying in the no man land here, and we are still around 20 to 30 pips away. So probably we have to wait for a little while. Okay, that's going to be a long wait. Okay, so Pound Kiwi. Okay, yep, and now Pound Dollar. Let's take a look at Pound Dollar. Pound Dollar at this point here. Okay, we are in the bull. We are still so the bull is actually meeting up with resistance. Okay, so the bull is meeting up with resistance. So at this point here, the resistance has been tested once again and it got rejected down. So today I'm actually looking out for this support level. Okay, so that there's still quite a good chance there, good space there to actually aim for this Pound Dollar. Okay, so Pound Dollar, I'm going to put this in also, but this is going to be a replacement trading. Okay. Yep. And for dollar CAD, let's take a look at dollar CAD. Well, for dollar CAD, okay, we can see that the bull has continued to run. Today the bull is actually retracing downwards to the support. We are very near to the support level. Okay, will there be a chance that this support level will actually go and come into the area here? Okay, over at this point here. Okay, where I see there's about 58 pips of space there. Okay, so there may be a chance. Okay, but first of all, we have a support level over here that we need to break, which is very near. Let's see the next hour. Will they break this support, and probably we may go down to look out for the next support before we actually go for a buy. Okay, right. So for dollar CAD, okay, I'm going to put this into my okay, so that we can see that we have a chance there. Okay, well, so dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. Trading. Go there. Alright, so for dollar franc over here. Now dollar franc is in the bear. Alright, we are still in the bear, but the bear has made up the support. So tentatively it's retracing upward. So for dollar franc, okay, probably we need to wait for a while because resistance is still quite high up there. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this. Right, so dollar yen over here, dollar yen. Well, dollar yen, as we can see, dollar yen here is actually downward. So in this downward trend over at this point here, we are looking out for a bear. So possible where now we are actually on the resistance where it's very and the support over here. So total we look at this, we have about 98 pips to go. So dollar yen is definitely into this. Okay, so this is quite a good $1 yen to sell. Alright, so right now over at this point here, okay, let's take a look at some others. Like example, Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin, we are still in the 17,100. Okay, so probably I see that there may be a chance there. Okay, there may be a good chance of selling, maybe. But then again, is that we're still hovering at this point. Well, as we can read the news, FTX CEO has been nailed down, and okay, so but really actually helps to improve the industry here, give more credibility, stability. Okay, all these are very important in the cryptocurrency. So all these we need to actually make sure okay the stability is there. Then you can see Bitcoin will be starting to run for the bull. Okay. So tentatively, no, leave it out. Okay. Well, okay. So what about gold? Well, the gold yesterday was quite a good one. Okay. Yesterday, we have a very good trading on gold as well. So for now, looking at the gold is actually coming in. Okay. So the bull is actually in control right now. So tentatively, will there be any retracement? Okay. So for as of gold wise, tentatively hour. I can only tell that it's still on the buying trend. But will it actually, which level will it actually go to and sell to for now? Okay, as of now, I can see the 1792 is one level, okay, that we are looking at. And the support level to sell down is 1777. Wow, that's very low, am I right? So at the moment here, okay, 1778 is also one price that we need to pay attention to. Because this price here will decide which where will it go after the candle have reaches this area, and we'll be able to tell what is the situation down there. Okay, all right, so yeah, and let's see what do we have today. Okay, coming back here to currency. Okay, so we are going to take a look. All right, so let's see what do we have. Well, we have the Aussie Kiwi, Aussie dollar, Euro Aussie, Euro Kiwi, Pound Aussie, Pound CAD, Pound yen, Pound Kiwi, Pound dollar, dollar CAD, and dollar yen. Well, we have all these, right? So guys, do take note about this and do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that later on in the live trading session, we'll be coming together to discuss the trade, which one to go with, what is the plan, okay, what are the plan, all this, right? So yeah, do remember to subscribe and smash the like button to show your appreciation for this current video, right guys? Thank you so much. I'm Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you later in my live trading. See you again, everybody.